We are now at the final step of completing the embroidery. You will notice the guide marks still visible on the fabric. So these were made using a heat erasable pen. So grab a hair dryer, now set it to the highest heat setting and now gently hover it over your embroidery. I prefer doing this using a hair dryer. You can also use an iron box to do the same. So move it around until all the guide marks disappear. Now you will start to see the magic happen. This is again a very interesting process. So you're seeing, right, the guide marks are removed now. It also gives a neat effect. So once they are done, your embroidery looks very neat, clean and polished. So now it's ready to be framed or gifted. Happy stitching!